I say this from a place of love, and my friend, your YouTube banner sucks. And how do I know that? Well, because mine did too. And why? Because I really did not know what the proper dimensions were to create a beautiful banner that looked good on all devices. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the proper dimensions you need to make sure that your banner looks good on all devices, and share with you my templates that I've created with proper call to actions. And I'm also going to share with you how to properly upload your YouTube banner on YouTube inside YouTube Studio. So if you're ready, keep on watching. The first step in making sure that your YouTube banner looks beautiful on all devices is obviously first knowing the proper dimensions that you need so you know how to create your designs for your channel banner. Now here on Canva, I've created a guideline, a template, and I'm going to walk you through what all this means. So typically, if we look here with the red rectangle, this is the area that you will see on the mobile devices. And then if we add the red with the blue rectangle, so this whole area here, this is typically what you will see when you are watching YouTube on tablet. So when you're on somebody's channel, you will see that area, which is just a little bit more than the mobile view. And then typically on a desktop, you'll see this whole area with the red, the blue, and the green, which is what you'll see on a desktop. And then this grayed out area, which is typically noted as the TV space. So if you're watching YouTube on TV, you will see most likely this whole area if again you are on that creator's channel. And then one thing to note here, this specific Canva size, the canvas size, is going to be 2560 pixels by 1440. Now, if you would like a copy of my banner guide dimensions, so you can just go ahead and start creating your channel banner, then comment down below banner template, and I will give you access to this template so you can create a copy for yourself inside your Canva workspace. So with that said, I'm going to now share with you some ideas as to how you can make your YouTube banner. So let's dive in. Sorry for the interruption. Let me drop this introduction. I sell Canva templates on Etsy for my real estate agent besties. I don't have to be on this track because I am not a rapper, a singer. All I do is help agents prosper. Scan this code and you'll be a winner. Or find the link to my Etsy shop in the description box down below, and let's get back to the video. Okay, bye. As a shameless plug, I do actually sell templates for YouTube banners, specifically for real estate agents. So this video really is for me just to promote my own templates. So I hope you don't mind. Now, my templates come in 5 different colors, just so you know, but I have 3 designs that I have created in each family color, if you will. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a copy of this so you can see what we are working with. So let me open this up, and this is what the template looks like. Because this is my template, I have 2 buttons, but if you do purchase this template on my Etsy shop, I will put my QR code here so you can take a peek or find the link in the description box down below to my shop. And you want to click this use template for new design, so it will create a copy into your Canva workspace. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna open up this space here to make it a full window. Now this is what the canvas looks like. The first page is actually a demo of what my banners look like, so I'm just gonna double click on this so I can show you. So this is the first banner design. Again, I focused all of my design in the center here. This is the second design here, and this is the third design. So they are slightly different from each other, but at least you have an option and variety. So really what I'm sharing with you in this portion of the video is how easy it is to use my templates. So in this case, you can also see that I've also added in the guidelines here. So as mentioned, this is kind of the YouTube banner guide that I have created, and then I just went ahead and created the guides. So if you don't see your guides, you want to go into File up here and go into Settings and then Show Rulers and Guides. And in this case, I have locked the guides down so you don't accidentally move them when you are designing. So for the sake of this tutorial here, let's go ahead and use this design here which is the third design. Now you can see here that I have the guidelines. So once again, typically on mobile, you're just going to see this area here. And then on tablet, you get that little extra space, which really doesn't do much for me anyways. And then again, we have the full desktop area that you will see. Now this particular banner will obviously have your face on it. And the call to action here is new videos every week, or you can have a call to action that says, scan my QR code in the corner, which is the QR code over here. But just to show you how easy it is to use this template, what I'm going to do is go ahead and just show you how to use it. So in this case, if I go to my positions here and I go to layers, you can actually see the makeup of this entire design. Now for this one, I have a grid in the background, so that way you can just drag and drop some photos in there. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go in and find some random real estate pictures and just drag it in here. Probably drag that one in there. Probably drag this one there. Actually, I'll do this image there, and I'll do this one here. This one here. Now I have the transparency turned down because I wanted the brand colors to come through, but you can obviously bring up that transparency a little bit more so you can see the stock images in the background. And then next up, you just want to go in and add your picture of yourself. So I have an image here, and you know the drill. I love the background remover tool on Canva, and yes, it is indeed a Canva Pro tool, but highly worth it because watch, wait, 3, 2, 1, go. See? So fast. So typically with that, I also like to add in a shadow, which is the drop one is my favorite. You can go in and play with the values here, but you just want to obviously size this appropriately. And again, this is why I have those guidelines in place, so you know exactly where to situate yourself. So I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to cut this off right there. Maybe make myself a little bit smaller. And there you go. Boom, bang. Obviously, you want to change your name, put in your market area, and of course, you can change your call to action down here, or again, you can display the cadence of your YouTube videos. Now, with this little mock-up here, if you have an image of your real estate signs, like I do right here, which is this one, obviously not in the right color. I should have had the other one, the green one, but we're working with the blue one. But let's just pretend that this is green. Ideally, what you want to do is, I'm going to click on the image here. I'm going to go to positions, go into layers, and this is -19. So I'm going to make this image rotate to -19. And then I'm just going to size this up. And if you don't have a real estate yard sign design, again, I also sell this specific template also on my Etsy shop, so make sure you give that a peek as well. And then on the outsides, this is where you can add in a QR code. I typically recommend using a multiple link in one platform. My favorite is Linktree, so if you would like to learn how to use Linktree for real estate, I do have a video specifically on that, which you can watch in the cards above or in the description box down below. I'll link that video there. With that said, I typically just have my QR code somewhere in my brand kit. I think it's this one. So one of these, I'm just gonna guess, but there's that. If you don't already have your QR code made up, you can actually generate a QR code directly from Canva, as there are multiple apps that you can use. So I'll show you that really quickly. So on the left-hand panel, go to the app section here. You can search for QR code. And typically Canva's native one is just the first one here, QR code. And this is where you can put the link of your desired QR code. Again, this could be your Linktree, this could be Instagram, your website, whatever you like, your YouTube channel, anything that you want your audience to go to. So in this case, I'm just going to put Linktree for now. And you just hit generate code. And immediately Canva will generate that code directly to your design. And again, you can just size that up and put that right in there. And that's your call to action as well. You can also put other text maybe down here to indicate what this QR code is and where it will take users. Now on the other side, this is where you would put your logos. So I'm going to put EXP and my personal logo here. Again, I'm going to go into my brand kit up here, and it's not this one. It's in my other brand kit. I'm going to go to this one first, and I think I'm just going to use this one. And if you want to learn how to make your own logo like this, I actually made it in Canva, so I do have a tutorial on that if you would like to learn that, how to do that and make your own personal brand. So I will be sure to link that video in the cards above and in the description box down below. Now, as you may have saw, when I tried to put my logo here, it was thinking that I wanted to drop this logo into the background. Now there's two ways that you can prevent that from happening. You can simply just click on the image in the back and you could press this to lock it down. Or what I've learned is that if you click and drag the element and also either hold down the Control or Option key, this will allow you to put the element over top an image box and it won't go into the image box. So either hold the Control or Option key. Okay. So with that there, I'm just going to size that up. I think I might, oh no, I don't want to do that. I want to give this a shadow just so it stands out a little bit more. And then obviously I'm going to go in and grab EXP's logo right here. Oh, that's big. Alrighty, I'm going to put that there. And again, I'm going to click on the element and I'm going to hold the Control key in my case, and I'm going to put it right there. And in this case, I'm also going to give the EXP logo a shadow like that, so it looks on brand. Maybe I might make this a little bit smaller, but other than that, that is the YouTube banner done and complete. Obviously, you can go over to the homepage of Canva and you can look up YouTube thumbnail. No, not YouTube thumbnail. YouTube banner. I wish my keys weren't in the way, but YouTube banner. And then you want to spell it right and obviously choose. You can either use this search bar to search templates within your Canva workspace, or you can search the templates within Canva's template library. And obviously you see a bunch of templates that you can use. You can see that this one is obviously doing the same thing that I did, where you have it just all in the center, same thing as this. And then there are other templates like this that actually take up the whole space, so do what you'd like. But again, you can also start from one of these templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. But again, highly recommend my templates if you are in real estate. Thank you for supporting my creative work. Now with that said, I'm going to go ahead and download this simply as a PNG. I'm going to download just page number 5. And then from here, I'm going to show you how you can properly upload this to your YouTube channel. All right, so here we are on YouTube. You just want to go over to your profile and go into YouTube Studio. Now from here, you want to locate the customization here. So click on that. And here is where you can upload your banner image. Quite simply, you just want to go in and hit upload. And I see that YouTube does give you the exact dimensions right here, but still the one that we created with Canva with that specific, I think, 2450 1440 size canvas still will work here. So I'm going to upload this, and this is the banner that we created and exported from Canva. And again, here are the dimensions, the 2560 by 1440. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit open, and again it's showing you that that guideline as well. So again, this area is viewable on all devices, this area is viewable on desktop, and then viewable on YouTube. So that's what YouTube is also referencing. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit done, and then you just go ahead and hit publish, and they do give you a little cute mock-up of what your what your YouTube banner looks like on the various devices. So you can see here that the back is the TV one, this one is going to be on, you know, your laptop there, and then this is your mobile device, and I'm assuming also a tablet. So there is that. But with that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and just click view channel, and we can see what our banner will look like. And there you go. Pretty snazzy, if I do say so myself. And that is it for today's video. If you made it to the very end of this video, then you know what it is, you know what to do. Yeah, comment down below, hashtag and crew, so I know you are a real one. And if you would like to learn how to create your own custom animated YouTube subscribe button for your YouTube videos, then I highly recommend that you check out this video right over here. And if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.